And we are back at it again, folks, right here at Brook's Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could. And today we got this beautiful design where we took an existing 12x12 concreted slab and then we added a 12x12 on both sides, giving this customer a total outdoor landscape transformation of over 400 square feet of usable outdoor living experience. And now they're going to be able to utilize this space for friends and family, and also be able to take it to the next level on the second phase of this landscape, which is going to be behind me, where we're going to be adding another paver patio along with crab orchard steps and just a lot more. And that's what happens when you do an amazing job for your client. They love you so much that they want to keep getting work done. Now, we would be moving back to this job tomorrow if we could, but we just have so many customers that want to get work done. And this is why I tell you guys, when you go into business, you always want to make sure that you're giving more quality and more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. When you can begin to do that, you're going to be able to see a tremendous value. You're also going to be able to see that when you grow your business, you're going to have a word of mouth business that is so strong that you never have to advertise. Now, I can tell you that I have a marketing degree, and so advertising for me is extremely fun. But if you're in the service industry, you're a landscape professional, then it's best for you to understand that the best way for you to be able to get new clients is to go to the platform that they're already on. And some of you may like YouTube, some of you may like Instagram, but your clientele base, if you're in the landscaping industry, is going to be on Facebook. That's where 35 and olders are going, and they're communicating every single day, whether it's looking at Facebook Watch, looking at the marketplace, or just being engaged with their family on that platform. So if you want to grow your business, you want to begin to do some type of marketing on Facebook that's going to allow for you to be able to expand your business and expand your reach and allow your customers to be able to have that same advantage. And that's why we work with you at the Landscape Geek Learning Academy. We give you everything that you need in order to grow your business from a marketing perspective. We also provide you with a service software that allows you to scale your business at a high level by simply being able to understand some of the dynamics that go into what it requires for you to be able to take profit margins to the next level. And some of those things just simply require you to be knowledgeable about the overall landscape design. And that's what we do for you at Brook's Landscaping, but that's also what we do for you at our Landscape Geek Learning Academy. So just go ahead and head over there. All you got to do is go to landscaping.tube. We've been in partnership with YouTube for some time now, and they've even given us our own website in order to direct you directly to our YouTube channel. Now, if you're someone that wants to see over 300 videos that we have available with our partnership with Google, go to brookslandscaping.tv. You're going to be able to see over a decade's worth of videos before and after, just like this, where we've been showing you exactly how we solve customers' landscape. And it's just what we do here at Brook's Landscaping. We give our customers that quality that they deserve. We always make that dirt look good, and we always show our customers exactly why we've become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around. So I want you guys to begin to accept that if you want to grow your business, one of the ways that you do it is by taking knowledge and applying it in a new way. And so we're going to show you how to do that. We're going to give you the opportunity to do it yourself, but then also we're going to provide you with the solutions that are necessary in order to do it effectively. Right here at Brook's Landscaping, right here at the Landscape Geek Learning Academy. I'm your landscape geek and your landscape expert, Greg Brooks Digital, and I'll see you again on our next episode of the Landscape Geek Learning Academy.